Today's a beautiful day. We're out on Holland Lake. It's in the clear water drainage between the Mission Mountains and the Swan Range. Missions are over there, the ones with all the snow on them. And the Swan Range is back behind us here. And that's Holland Falls that you can see over there. A little tiny speck of a waterfall. And we're just out on a beautiful day, canoeing around. So Bridger and I are exploring this little island that we canoed up to here. There have been a couple little fire rings, and here looks this to be some sort of like old chimney or something. Look at this. Huh. We're not that far from land really. I mean, you can see we're on a lake, so land in all directions here. But it is kind of fun walking around and exploring this little island. Come on, Bridger. Did you see this, Bridger? There's huckleberries on this island. It's an island in the middle of a lake, surrounded by mountains, and it has huckleberries growing on it. I think I might just start living here. This is great. And Bridger's got plenty of grass to eat. How's that grass? Well, I guess it's technically an island, but just barely. There's some more edible fruit. Those look like thimbleberries to me.